Hello students, we have completed practice set 1.1. Today we will start practice set 1.2. Okay, before proceeding practice set 1.2, let's recap some basic concept. Okay, we learned in this chapter that about set. Okay, so we recap the definition of sets. Sets is a collection of well defined objects. Okay, and we learned that sets, there are two methods to classify sets. First one is listing method and second one is rule method. Okay, that we learned in practice set 1.1, but in practice set 1.2 we have the types of sets. Okay, so we will learn the types of set. Okay, set has been, there are several types of sets that will be learned in practice set 1.2. okay, there is topic types of set. Okay, first type is singleton set. Okay, types of sets, their first topic is singleton set. Okay, as in name singleton, there is term single. Okay, the set which carries only single element is called as singleton set. Okay, as we will tell that set of natural number less than 2. Okay, we know that the natural number starts from the 1, and set of natural number less than 2, that is only one number, that is 1. And if we tell that the set of even prime numbers, we know that the all prime numbers are odd, but only 2 as a even prime number, there is only one element which is 2, that is even prime number. Okay, as we can say that the capital of the India, there is only a single capital of India, that is New Delhi. Okay, so these all are the singleton set. The set which carries single element is called as singleton set. Okay, for example, I am writing only example, not definition, because you don't have to ask in the exam to write the definition. Okay, we learn the concept of that topic. Singleton set means that the set which carries only one element, means that single element. For example, I am writing that A is a set of X such that X is a even prime number. Okay, here we wrote that the A is a set of X such that X is a even prime number. We know that there is only one even prime number, which is 2. Here in roster form we denote here that element is only 2. That's why it is known as the singleton set, because there is only one element. Okay, for second type is empty set. Empty set, as it name says that the set which will be empty, it means that the set which do not carry any number. Okay, any number or any element is called as the empty set. If we have asked that the set of natural number less than 1, we know that the natural number starts from the 1, so there is no any number less than 1, so that's why the set of natural number less than 1 is empty set. Okay, we write here example, V is equal to X such that X is a set of natural number less than 1. Okay, we know that there is no any number less than 1, so that this set is called as the empty set. If we will denote in roster form, then this will be denoted as like that. Okay, we will draw curly bracket, but inside curly bracket we will not place any of the element, because this set is empty. Okay, empty set is denoted by the two method. First one is the empty curly bracket, and second one is the phi. Okay, this sign is known as the phi. Okay, phi. So empty set is a set which do not carry any of the element. Okay, so here what is the X such that X is a set of natural number less than 1. Okay, this is the example of the empty set. And there is another example is that suppose B is a set of students who got negative marks in the board exam. We know that the negative marks is not possible in the board exam. So the set of students who got negative marks in the board exam is empty set because there is no any element. Okay, third one is finite set. Okay, as in the name suggests that the set which is going to be finite means that there is some limitation. Okay, for example, finite set. Okay, we can say that the number of students in a class, their students are limited. Okay, as it is not like that the crowd. Okay, that is unlimited. In a class there is student limited. It may be maximum 100, 200, 500, but not more than that. Okay, so finite set is defined as the set which carries limited element or finite element. For example, I am writing here. Here we have write A and B. So here I am writing C. C is the set of X such that X is a natural number less than 20. Suppose any of the number. C is a set of X such that X is a natural number less than 20. We know that the natural number starts from 1 and less than 20 means 19. 1 to 19, this is finite set. Okay, so we can say that the set of natural number less than 20 is a finite set because there is a limited number, not infinite. Okay, and another example is D. I am considering another. For example, D is a set of X such that X is a multiple of phi less than 50. Okay, here D is a set of X such that X is a multiple of phi less than 50. We know that the multiple of 5, what are they? 5, 10, 11, 5, 10, 15, 20, like that. And less than 50 means that the till 45. Okay, there are 9 elements, 5 to 45. So this set is finite set. Okay, in another way we can define as the finite set is defined as the set which is countable. Okay, the set which is countable is called as the finite set. And another one is, as you can guess, that the after finite set what can be? Infinite set. Okay, here in finite we learn that the set which can be countable, but infinite, as name suggests, that the set would be infinite, as we have discussed that infinite which goes on infinity. Okay, so here we can write that in another way we can define the infinite set as the set which is uncountable. Okay, the set which are not countable or uncountable, the set is called as the infinite set. For example, the set of natural numbers. Okay, if I wrote that D is a set of X such that X is a set of natural number. Okay, here we have not given any of the range. Okay, here we have not given any of the range, so we can say that this set is infinite set because we know that the natural number starts from 1 and goes on infinity. Okay, there is terms come infinity, so that's why this is called as the infinite set. After that we can say that the F is a set of X such that X is a set of stars in universe. Okay, universe is small like our room. No, we know that the universe is vast. Okay, it is infinity. Their area is infinity, so that's why the number of stars in the universe is also infinite. Okay, so set of stars in universe is infinity set because there are infinity stars available in the universe. Okay, like that we have done the 4 types of the sets. Okay, so we start 5 types of the set. Okay, there is equal set. We know that the equal set is name suggests that the set which is going to be equal. Okay, one set can be equal to itself. No, for equal set we need at least 2 sets. Okay, I am considering A and B. Okay, A set A and set B is called as equal set when there is equal number as well as equal number their numbers as well as equal number should be same. Okay, same means that the set A and set B carries equal elements. Okay, for example, set A, I am considering set A is silent. Okay, set A is a set of word silent and set B is a set of word listen. Okay, as you are able to see, silent and listen both elements are same, so set A and set B are equal set because the elements of set A and set B are equal as well as same, number of elements also same and elements along itself is same. Okay, so that's why set A and set B are called as the equal set. For being a equal set, the elements should be same exactly, no there any of the difference. Okay, so like that way we have completed the all types of the sets. Okay, now start practice set 1.2. Okay, in practice set 1.2, what is given here? Question number 1, decide which of the following are equal sets and which are not. Okay, we have to say that the which of the following are equal sets. Okay, we learned that the types of set, the fifth type was equal set. Okay, remaining 4 types we will learn earlier. Okay, we will learn in from question number 2. Okay, in question number 1 we have given 3 sets A, B and C. Okay, firstly for discussing our answer, we will convert all the sets into the roster form. Okay, so after that we will discuss which are equal sets. For equal sets there is a condition. What is that condition? Condition is the elements of the set should be same. Okay, exactly same. Okay, so in answer we will write as A is equal to x such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, this is in the linear equation. Okay, this is in the form of linear equation. We will solve this equation. How we will read as A is the set of x such that 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, here we have given linear equation in the set form. We will firstly find out the value of x. 3x minus 1 is equal to 2. We know the minus 1 here will go, then it will convert into plus 1. Okay, here 3x as x and 2 plus 1 3 and here 3x. 3 is in multiply, here will come, then it converts into the divide. Okay, then 3 1 ja 3, x is equal to 1. We got the set A which is at x is equal to 1. So we will write in the roster form A is equal to in curly bracket. Okay, so we will write as equation number 1. So here we got the A is a set of one element, that is 1. Okay, so here second, what is given here? B is a set of x such that x is a natural number but x is neither prime nor composite. Okay, all the natural number starts from 1. Okay, prime numbers are those number which are not divided by any of the number, and composite numbers are those number which are formed by the multiplication of two numbers. Okay, so all the numbers in natural numbers are composite and prime numbers. Okay, but there is only single number which is neither composite nor prime, that is 1. Okay, 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. Okay, prime number starts from 2 and composite number starts from 2. So 1 is neither prime number nor composite number. Okay, you remember the concept of composite number. Composite numbers are the numbers which are formed by the joining of the two numbers. So for example 4, how will we get 4? 2 into 2 4. Okay, so and 2 plus 2 4. So composite numbers are those which are the combination of two numbers are made up of the two numbers. Okay, B is a set of one element which is 1. So we will write as the equation number 2. Okay, what is given here? Third one also here we have given in the symbolic form. C is a set of x such that x belongs to n. N means whole number or natural number? Natural number. C is a set of x such that x belongs to natural number. Okay, a value of x belongs to natural number, but x should be less than 2. Okay, we know that the natural number starts from 1 and there is only single elements which has the value less than 2. What is that? 1. Okay, then also C is a set of 1. Equation number 3, in both the set A, B and C we got the same element, so we will write as the by equation 1, 2 and 3. By equation 1, 2 and 3, A is equal to B is equal to C, but A, B, C are in set form, so we will write as the set A is equal to set B is equal to set C. Okay, this sign indicates that the set A is equal to the set B is equal to the set C, means that the set A, B and C all are the equal sets. Okay, because these sets contain single elements which is 1, 1 and 1. Okay, by this question we have completed question number 1. From question number 2 I will teach you tomorrow, but it is your duty to solve 2 times whole which we have done today. Okay, thanks for today.